Alright, let's just full on push. Go. Okay. Me and Hayden are above trenches. Have gun ready pose. Alright. Push up. Push up. I'll cover your flank.
Go back.
Do you just want us to get the flag and get out?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, arms right now.
We're getting that flag. We're running back around. Alright, Hayden. Go up. Get down, get down. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Kyle, Kenya, color to your right. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 1:30. Go get flag, go get flag. It's in there.
Got eyes, got eyes.
I don't know, but search the castle. I'll cover your back. Hayden, flank that way. Go middle, bud. Hayden will get your left, I'll get your right.
Contact behind us, contact behind us.
Copy, copy, copy. Hayden, to your left, people. Okay, I'm gonna make a sacrifice. Hayden, right behind us. All right. Thanks.
Bring that.
Camper.
I'm dead. Connor's dead. Anyone a medic? Medic's still on.
What?
You get the guy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course. Why not? Why wouldn't I?
You got it?
Yeah, I got him.
Where'd he go?
He's walking up there to the I don't know. He didn't, and the other guy didn't copy.
They get
So.
shot in?
Well, they decided to move over there, and I said to them, I'll stay back.
Man, the whole team's dead. Is the whole team dead? Is the whole team dead? No. Copy that. We're flanking past in a second.
Ask him if he has flag.
Where's the flag? They're holding castle.
This one or them? Okay. So, we're gonna do, if we can't find this flag,
trailer on the right.
I don't think I can hit him.
Yeah, that kind of.
Right side, 2 trailer.
Straight up. Got one.
You see that guy all the way over there?
Right side.
Kyle, can you hit these guys?
Yeah,
over
right
here?
side, right side, right side, right
Just
side.
switch. You hit the guys up there on trailers. To the crossfire.
Hit!
Kyle, just collapse on the ground. Okay.
Hit!
Are they behind us?
Yeah. They're pushing off. Hit!
Kyle, res.
What do we do?
I don't have a smoke. Hey, get Kyle, drag him in.
We're fucking pinned. They're pushing off. You gotta go that way. Ready? You gotta go this way. Hit! Reese, you have to go that way. Reese, you have to go that
Go.
way. Someone res me. We're in. We're dead.
Hey, can you get him?
You got a sniper, I think. You can take him. Hit him. Good leg. Hit! Fuck me, bro.
Hey, get one. I'll cover you. Get hitting res, I'll cover. Ready?
They're up there. Alright, ready? Go.
I'm right behind Connor, you dropped your radio. I'm gonna stay here. Connor dropped his radio.
There's people beside you behind the door. Shooting from that door too.
Hit! Nice shot. Dead man walking! Can you hold this for Connor? I gotta run up and do a kamikaze on these guys.
What?
I gotta kamikaze this. Connor, radio.
Hit!
Radio.
Appreciate it. I'm not. Fuck, bro.
Yeah, I'm
This
out.
is so hard. I got one guy.
Alright, who wants to cover me?
We should got push out to the trenches
Alright.
behind us.
Go 11.
They're pushing us so hard.
11.
Back here, behind us.
Alright, go. Go.
Alright. My tension is so fucked.
Okay, tell me when you're running off. No, there's like 10 of them.
Yeah, we're good, but
They're pushing! Come on, come on, come on!
yo, dead man walk.
Connor, come over to me.
Where they at?
See him over there. You might be able to reach him.
They got a sniper down there.
Alright.
I hit him. He's fucking backed away. He's not calling it. What a pussy.
Run up with me. Alright. I'm kamikazing this, alright? Pick up that radio, put it in your bag or something.
Hold on. Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I need pressure, and I'm gonna run up with a grenade.
Coming from? Where are you gonna aim?
Where I died at. We all died in that one side house.
Yo, medic, come here. Oh.
See that? Or are they all in there?
Yeah, same spot. Dude, he's gonna take your mom on a date, you know?
Yeah.
Huh?
He's gonna take your mother on a date.
I love my mom.
I got you. Connor, get ready. If they push up, just pressure him, alright?
Like, doesn't look much over there.
I think.
Trying the same thing over again.
Alright, are they there? Hey,
Three
before...
there, they pushed up right there behind 2, and they're pushing up right at 5, right behind 5.
Alright. So it's not ideal to throw a grenade. Okay.
It's not ideal to what?
I was gonna throw a grenade right at that bunch.
Nope, there's nobody in the bunk. Useless.
Yeah.
What do you want to do right now?
We're scratching the grenade idea. They all separated.
Copy that.
They got a sniper all the way down there at 12 o'clock.
Smoke out or anything?
Hey, any of you got range?
0 smoke.
No range?
No, we have to go up to like that ledge over there.
Yep.
Connor, you want him to push up over there?
I'm pushing up.
Alright, cover.
Cover me?
Watch those guys. Yeah, ready?
Yep, just watch me. Wait, they're peeking out at 2. Not yet. Hold up. Watch your head. Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Damn, I should blow that smoke. You can take a break in here.
Mag.
Oh shit, what's up, bro? That teammate?
Yeah. Dude, what if we just like shoot them up there?
We're not gonna reach.
We're not gonna reach unless they push this. Need some water. Alright.
One more fucking ammo.
I know. I'm only at 1 mag left.
This is my last mag. Like half right now, fast.
Let me know when you're out. I got 2 more extras. Let me know too, Kyle.
Wait, did you zipper up this back?
Yeah.
Let's start walking. All the way down there and around. So kind of where you guys died at. But we're gonna do a heavy flank, so even our teammates can't even see us. Yo, this is where Dylan flew, right there. Down, down, down. Get down, there's orange. Kyle, take him out, take him out. Alright, chill out for a minute.
One more.
Okay. Oh, push. Sorry. The mask looked different, my fault. Are you dead? Yo, you dead? Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, sorry. My fault. My friend said there was 2. Sorry, bro. Alright, they're all out. Come on. Yeah, they're all clear out. Let's go. Hey, I apologize. Hit!
Why did you use the shotgun?
Hit!
I've been dead for 5 minutes.
Hey, all right, okay, let's get back.
Yeah.
Good fight, guys, good fight.
They've been walking! Come on. Yeah, for me.
I got that.
Come up here.
Alright, here you go. Keep going.
There's
Grenade
2
time?
kids down there.
Huh?
There's 2 kids down there.
Down there?